Just do all you can do. And then guess what? There's a godly amount of grace that's available unto you and that's applied unto you, right? The grace of Jesus Christ is given unto you so that whatever it is that you can do is worthy. Okay. So, we take these standards and we set them very high. And we put it on a pedestal like of perfection and, all your heart, might, mind, and strength. That's so much. No, it's whatever you have. Like you have it. You do what you can do. And guess what? Like, as you do it, you'll get better at it and you could do more. That's part of the grace, right? That's part of the program, is that it gives us time and space to grow and get better. Right.
And I'm sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off. I was just going to say it's important to understand too that you can have an understanding. You can have a knowledge that I should be able to do more. I should be like so-and-so, or I should be doing this every day, or I should be doing, but there's a difference in understanding academically and conceptually what you should be able to do. And then recognizing that I have not built the attributes. I have not worked my way up towards, I've not gone through the path and the process of being able to meet what I know I should be doing or what I think the Lord wants me to be doing. So don't judge yourself and beat yourself up and say, I should know these scriptures better. Well, have you studied them? No. Okay. So today the Lord doesn't expect you to be a scriptorian. He doesn't expect you to know everything, but what he does expect you to do today is start reading, start studying, or whatever the expectation is you think. See, part of the problem is I think sometimes in our minds, we can visualize the perfect person, the perfect saint that we think we should be. We can visualize it academically. And then we beat ourselves up when we try to do that. And we're like, I just can't do it. I'm a failure. See, I'm not good enough. I'm weak. That's what the adversary is doing to you. That's what the adversary tells you. What we forget is, though, it's a process to become that ideal person. It's a process to be the person that we make up in our minds. Like, oh, I want to be this aspirational individual. Yes, that is great, but it's a process. There is a program. That's kind of been our theme tonight. Like, embrace the program and understand when the Lord says, give me all that you have to give, he's talking about right now. He's not saying, Nathan or somebody else listening to this, Sarah or Kathy or whoever, like, you have to be this ideal that you have in your head today. And if you're not that, you're falling short and you're condemned. No, he's saying, okay, great. You understand where you want to get. Great. But you're not that today. That's not who you are right now. You haven't developed that ability yet. So who are you today? What can you give right now? Now, don't limit yourself. Don't purposely set the bar low for yourself so you can make yourself feel good, but be honest and say, look, what can I give today? Should I be reading my scriptures 30 minutes a day? I should, but I haven't structured my day and my life that way. I can't focus that long, but I can do 5 minutes today. Okay, do 5 minutes.
Thank you for watching. If you found this content spiritually enlightening, please like, comment, and subscribe.
Like the gospel, these little things make all the difference, and it helps the algorithm push out better content for everyone to enjoy on YouTube.